Subscribe.
Tara and the Talking Shoes. In a charming little town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, there lived a bright and curious girl named Tara. The town itself seemed to be plucked from a storybook, with candy-striped houses, colorful flower boxes, and cobblestone streets that echoed the happy footsteps of children playing outside. But for Tara, the most magical place in town was her grandpa Ravi's shoe shop, a cozy little shop filled with rows upon rows of shoes, each carrying the whispers of countless adventures. Grandpa Ravi was a kind man with twinkling eyes and a warm smile, who believed that every shoe had a story waiting to be told. Tara loved to spend her afternoons there, helping him polish leather boots, dust off old sandals, and listen to his tales about the people who once wore those shoes. The smell of fresh leather mixed with a hint of peppermint tea made the shop feel like a secret garden full of dreams. One rainy afternoon, as the gentle patter of raindrops tapped on the shop's windows, Tara found herself drawn to a dusty corner she had never explored before. Amidst forgotten hats and boxes of old laces, she discovered a small wooden chest, worn with age and covered in tiny carvings of stars and moons. Her heart quickened with excitement as she carefully opened it. Inside lay a pair of the most unusual shoes Tara had ever seen. One was bright red, the other deep blue, and both shimmered as if sprinkled with stardust. The stars on them twinkled softly, almost like they were alive. Tara reached out to touch the shoes, and suddenly, they lifted gently off the shelf. A soft voice, warm and kind, whispered, "Thank you for finding us." The shoes introduced themselves as the Wonder Shoes, magical shoes that could take the wearer anywhere in the world, or even beyond, to places only dreamed of. They were waiting for someone brave and kind to take them on new adventures. Without hesitation, Tara slipped the shoes on, feeling a comforting warmth spread through her feet and up her legs. "Where would you like to go?" the shoes asked in a gentle voice. Tara's eyes sparkled with wonder. "Take me to the moon," she said boldly. In a flash, she was soaring through the sky, the wind rushing past her, clouds soft as cotton floating by like friendly pillows. The sun kissed her cheeks as she flew higher and higher, leaving the familiar town far behind. The stars grew brighter and closer until the silvery moon hung before her like a glowing lantern in the vast dark sky. Landing softly on the moon's surface, Tara marveled at the strange yet beautiful landscape. The ground beneath her feet glowed with a gentle light, and the silence was deep but peaceful. To her surprise, the moon was not deserted. Tiny creatures called moon mice scurried about busily, building little towers and bridges from blocks of glowing cheese. They wore miniature helmets and carried tiny tools, working together with joyful chatter. The mice paused their work and stared at Tara's sparkling shoes with wide eyes. "Are those the legendary Wonder Shoes?" one asked excitedly. Tara nodded, smiling warmly. The moon mice welcomed her with open paws, showing her around their charming cheese city. She laughed and danced among them, her shoes sparkling with every step, filling the moon with music and light. Suddenly, the sky darkened, streaked with shooting stars racing across the horizon. The mice grew worried, for the stars sometimes carried strong winds that could blow their delicate structures apart. Tara felt the shoes buzz gently, reminding her that every adventure holds challenges. Together with the mice, she helped secure the towers and calmed their fears, learning that bravery and teamwork could overcome even the wildest storms. Then, with a soft shimmer, the shoes whisked Tara and her new friends beneath the surface of a vast, sparkling ocean. The water was clear and alive with colors Tara had never imagined, shimmering coral reefs, schools of shimmering fish darting in playful patterns, and graceful sea creatures gliding peacefully. At the heart of this underwater kingdom, Tara met Queen Octavia, a majestic purple octopus who ruled wisely from her palace made of shells and pearls. The queen welcomed Tara warmly, sharing stories of ocean magic, mysterious currents, and hidden treasures. Tara listened with rapt attention, amazed by the ocean's wonders and its delicate balance. As Tara explored further, playful sharks began chasing glowing jellyfish, turning the peaceful waters into a lively game. The joyful chaos reminded her that nature can be wild and unpredictable. The shoes hummed softly, signaling it was time to continue the journey before the game became too dangerous. Next, Tara found herself beneath the grandest tree she had ever seen, a tree so tall its branches seemed to hold up the very sky. The trunk was wide and covered in rough bark that told stories of centuries past, while its leaves shimmered like golden stars in the gentle breeze. Tara climbed carefully, reaching a high branch where the world looked different, peaceful and full of wonder. Among the leaves, she heard whispers, soft stories of bravery, kindness, and dreams that had blossomed like flowers over time. The tree seemed to breathe hope and courage into Tara's heart, reminding her that even the smallest acts of kindness could grow into mighty waves of change. Sitting there, surrounded by shimmering leaves, Tara realized how much she missed her home and grandpa, but she also understood that her journey had forever changed her. With a gentle glow, the magical shoes carried Tara back home, to the cozy shoe shop where her adventure had begun. Grandpa Ravi sat reading by the window, his face brightening when he saw her. Tara's heart swelled with joy and gratitude, filled with stories of magic, friendship, and courage. The shoes rested quietly on the shelf, their stars twinkling softly, ready to light the way for the next adventure. Outside, the rain had stopped, and a brilliant rainbow stretched across the sky, a colorful promise that magic lives within the hearts of those who dare to dream. Tara hugged Grandpa tightly, knowing deep inside that no matter how far she traveled, there truly was no place like home.
Subscribe.